Imagine a black monkey holding a camera looking into the lens, and then click. A wide smile that shook the world. The photo went viral, millions laughed, calling it the world's funniest selfie. But no one knew. Behind that smile, the forest where he was born was growing silent. Trees were falling. The sounds of his flock were fading away one by one. He smiled not because he was happy, but because he couldn't understand why humans only saw his face, not his fate. Ironically, the photo that made the world laugh became a warning to a species that was nearly lost. And perhaps as you look at his smile today, he is staring back as if to say, who really needs saving?